let me show you this caramelized shallot dip. It's one of my favorite snacks. Soak some cashews for at least 1 hour. Slice up some shallots and caramelize them for about 20 minutes. While that's cooking, let's get our veggies. If you don't have a mandolin, I hope you have a steady hand. Toss them with some salt and a little avocado oil. Put the temperature at the lowest setting and let these dry out for 6 to 10 hours. Let's make our dip. I don't have any mayo, so I'm gonna make some real quick. Egg yolk and avocado oil. We can season it with some garlic, nutritional yeast, salt, and most of our caramelized shallots. Save some on the side. A little apple cider vinegar. And blend this until you get a nice creamy texture. I was about to flip the chips, but it looks like the zucchini's kind of burnt, so I'm just gonna say these are done. Let's get our dip and top it with the rest of the caramelized shallots and some scallions. Does anyone say green onions? Like, no offense, but they're called scallions. So there you have it. My quick, super simple snack recipe for when you're feeling kind of lazy and you only got about 5 minutes. Don't forget to follow.
Make zero waste mango chips and dip using mango peels. When I was little, I loved eating green mangoes, peel and all. For these mango peels, I added some smoky seasoning, salt and pepper, olive oil, and popped them in the air fryer. They should be golden and crisp. And then for the salsa dip, I added onions, tomatoes, the rest of the mango, some vinegar and salt and pepper, and some cilantro. A refreshing snack, perfect for summer.